Hello friends, welcome to yet another Azure FAQs. Let us see how we can interconnect two subscription. For example, I have a company named Company X and there are three subscription. I wanted to connect subscription prod and subscription dev. I wanted to access some of the resources or some of the services which are there in dev. Can I connect between these two subscription? Yes, I can use virtual network peering and I can connect these two subscription and I can able to access the resources. Subscription itself, it is an isolated area where there is a limit which is imposed by Microsoft. There is a limit which has been set and these limits are set at the subscription level. Also, let us take another example. This company, Company X and Company Y is getting merged as a single company. But before merging, there are some resources which needs to be accessed by Company X. Can Company X access Company Y's data or can it connect to Company Y? Yes, again with the help of virtual network peering, Company X can access Company Y services using virtual network peering. When you wanted to create a virtual network peering and connect two networks which belongs to two different tenants and two different subscription, the prerequisite is you need to create a Azure account which has network contributor role so that whenever there is a request for authorization at both the ends, Company X and Company Y, the network contributor role can authorize the request for creating the virtual network peering so that the virtual network peering works seamlessly and the resources can be shared between Company X and Company Y. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. Thank you. Take care.